At the end of February, we will be taking a trip to the Grand Rapids Symphony. One of the pieces of music we will be listening to is Aladdin's Suite, which actually has 5 pieces of music to it. We have heard the story of Aladdin. We've listened to the music that the symphony will be playing for us. And now we are all drawing a scene from the story of Aladdin. So I'm going to be asking students what scene they're drawing for us.
I drew the scene where this is actually a guy. He's just dressed up as a girl, and he drank out of this
Goblet?
And there's poison in it, and he poisoned it, and he died. The end.
What scene are you drawing?
I am drawing Aladdin in jail after all of his palace and all of his riches were taken away from him.
What scene are you drawing?
I am drawing when the wizard tricks Aladdin of going into the cave to grab the genie, and he gets trapped in there.
I'm drawing when Aladdin when he gets trapped in the cave.
I'm drawing when Aladdin gets in the cave, gets stuck in the cave.
I drew the scene when Aladdin and his servants are taking the jewels to the palace. I am drawing when Aladdin falls asleep in the cave after he falls.
And what are those flying around him?
Those are little fairies protecting him. I am drawing when Aladdin gets stuck in the cave.
I'm drawing the scene where Aladdin is hunting tigers by himself.
I'm drawing the scene where Aladdin and Himbad are fighting, and he just stabs himself because he knows he won't win.
I'm drawing the scene where the genie grants Aladdin's wish when he wishes for a palace.
Scene where he is about to get stabbed by Himbad.
We are learning about cells, tissues, and organs. We're learning about the respiratory system. We breathe in air to create oxygen and breathe out to create carbon dioxide. Cells form tissue forms organs form systems make the body. We're learning about the muscular system. We worked on the skeletal system.
Learned about the nervous system.
What are cilia? Cilia is tiny hairs.
Miss Hannah made me wear my tennis shoes.
Trying to do something, and I don't know what to look like.
Don't look too happy.
Students were treated to a wonderful pizza, fruit, chips, lunch for all the box tops that you've saved this year. treated by the parent group, so thank you for treating us to this wonderful pizza party. We are enjoying it. In math, we've been doing a lot of work with decimals and fractions, and now we're adding percents. So the question is, as we do our warm-up with our slates and markers, the fraction is 1/4. Write the decimal and the percent. Okay, hold them up. What's our answer?
25%, 0.25.
25%.
And, guys, I'm talking to Madison. What's the decimal?
And 25 hundredths.
Good, thank you. The fraction is 14 hundredths. Write it as a decimal and as a percent. 14 hundredths. And Trevor, what's the answer?
14% and 14%.
Good job. Show me the answer. Excellent. We are also learning how to turn mixed numbers into improper fractions, and we have a student here that's going to show us how she does that.
When I convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, I do the whole number divided by the denominator. So 2 times 3 equals 6, and then I add 2, which means that the answer is 8/3, because you always put the denominator is all the same.
Good job. A student here who's going to lightning fast. Go ahead and start. Draw us a picture of what 2 2/3 or 8/3 looks like. And she is lightning fast. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3 is the same as 2 2/3. Nice job. I have been using a program called IXL to help us practice our math skills. And it's an online practice that the students can do at home as well by logging on to it from home on their computer. Today we're practicing matching pictures with decimal numbers. And what's the answer for this one? The end. This is our class during our part of our reading workshop. After we have our little lesson, students are reading books of their own choosing, or they're reading their historical fiction books to get ready for their book club discussions tomorrow. So down here we have our book club discussions going on. This group has been reading a book called Kizzy Ann Stamps, and they're evaluating themselves on how they did today, and they have been working on a timeline. This group has been reading the book Chains by Laurie Anderson, and if they have found a word they had questions about during their reading, they're using a dictionary to answer their questions. They're taking notes on sticky notes and sharing those as they discuss. This group read the book Sounder, and they are also trying to find some historical information about life in the United States and the rural areas of the United States during the mid-1800s.